Welcome back to my channel MI Tutorials. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to calculate an average of a particular column with if conditions, right? So let's get started. I have a sample data set here and I want to find out the average, let's say unit cost of country India, and only for the sales channel, which is online, okay, which is online over here, right? So let's see how to achieve this. I'm going to begin with type in the average function. I'm going to use the average ifs over here, okay, and then I'm going to open the bracket and it's now asking me to enter the average range, right? So I'm going to select, let's say, units sold. Let's find out what's the average units that we have sold, right? And then I'm going to type in comma, and then it's asking me for criteria range 1. My criteria range is going to be country, okay, and my criteria here is going to be India. I'm going to close the quotes and type in comma, and my second criteria here is my sales channel, and it needs to be online, okay. So I'm going to type in comma, open quotes, and type in online within quotes, okay. I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. We've now got 5195 as an average of number of units sold for India and sales channel online. Now let us verify this. Let's select India here and let us select online, okay. Now let's look at the total number of sum. The sum is 46,755, and the average that you see here, it is 5195. That is exactly what we have got here in the formula. This is how you create an average if with single condition or multiple conditions. I hope this video has helped you and you've learned something new. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.